Welcome to Nehant World. From this video onwards, we are going to learn Python tutorials. I am Venkat. This is part 0, looking at the programming trends in 2025. So here you can see the data for top 11 programming languages from 2005 to 2025. You can see Java is becoming the top programming language in the market from 2005 to 2023. In 2023, you can see Python is taking the first position in the market and Java is in second position. Okay. And now if you look at Python and JavaScript are the most trending programming languages in the market. Okay. So that's why we need to definitely learn Python programming language. So here are the top 11 programming languages in 2025. Python is in first place. And here you can see Python, Java, PHP, JavaScript, Swift, R, Ruby on Rails, Go. So these are all the programming languages which are in top position in the market. Here you can see, let us go to the fourth position. So JavaScript is in fourth position. If you look at this graph, JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world. And if you look at after JavaScript, Python is the second most popular programming language. Java is also in third place. So if you look at the Python, Python is the second most popular programming language in 2025. Okay. So that's why we definitely need to learn programming language Python. If you are an experienced developer or just came out from your education or academics, Python is definitely a good programming language to start or learn. So this is about the programming trends in 2025. Okay, so then let's start learning Python. Thank you for watching.